Today we'll review the packaging solution for sea pine mushrooms using a bag filling machine. First, set the overall machine speed to 15 bags per minute. Then place the prepared bags into the bag hopper. The vacuum suction cup automatically picks up the bag and delivers it to the first workstation. Using a baffle elevator, Matsutake mushrooms are lifted into the feeding tray of the multi-head combination weigher. The mushrooms in the tray are distributed across multiple weighing hoppers via a linear array, employing the principle of free arrangement and combination. Once the target weight is reached in multiple hoppers, the hoppers simultaneously open. The mushrooms slide into the collection hopper, where they expand the bag opening for precise filling before the broth is injected. After cleaning the bag opening by rotating and blowing air through it, the bag is fed into the vacuum chamber for vacuum sealing, followed by heat sealing. Finally, the finished product slides onto the conveyor belt, completing the process. Thanks for watching.